In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing multiple clients or organizing your schedule, setting up projects in QuickBooks Online can be an excellent way to streamline your accounting operations. So let's dive in and make project management clear and simple. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Once there, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the options available to proceed. Type in your username and password carefully and then click Continue. Make sure your credentials are correct to access your dashboard smoothly. Once logged in, you want to navigate to the Projects section. Look towards the side menu or utilize the search bar by typing Projects. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the projects page, where all your past, current and upcoming projects are neatly displayed. Now to start a new project, locate and select the Start a Project button. This usually stands out quite noticeably with a vibrant colour, making it easy to spot. Clicking on this will open up a form where you'll begin entering detailed information about the project you want to create. The first thing you need to do is add the project name. Choose something descriptive and specific to help you and your team easily identify and refer to this project in the future. A well-chosen name can save a lot of time later when tracking or reporting. Next, it's essential to add the client's information. If your client is already listed in your QuickBooks Online account, you can simply select them from a drop-down list. Otherwise, add a new client to ensure all details link correctly. Associating the project with a client helps maintain accurate records of your business interactions. Now, set a due date for your project. Having a deadline can keep the workflow structured and motivate everyone involved to stay on track. You can easily choose a date from the calendar provided in the project form. To break down the project even further, add tasks directly associated with it. Click to add a task and provide a task name, ensuring it aligns with your project goals. This enables you to focus on individual aspects of the project efficiently. Then, as you did with the overall project, assign each task a due date. Task deadlines ensure each step is completed on schedule, facilitating smooth progression from one phase to the next. Finally, with all your project details set, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the project form. Clicking Save will finalize your project setup and you'll see it listed on your projects page. With these simple steps, you can organize your accounting projects efficiently in QuickBooks Online. Remember, taking the time to set things up correctly can greatly ease your workflow. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.